Greetings from the Czech Republic. Today's the 9th of April 2025, and today's topic is going to be about garden lighting for exotic gardens and for normal gardens. I'm going to be talking about practically everything to do with lighting. So we're going to be talking about the actual lights, the light system that I use here. We're going to be talking about LED lights, LED bulbs, the differences between solar lighting and normal lighting, the differences between 12-volt lighting using LED lights and LED lights with 220 volts power here. I'm going to be talking about Kelvin and lumens as well. I'm going to be talking about connecting the different lights. I'm going to be talking about the gels that we have to use for the electrical boxes. I'm going to be talking about circuit breakers and practically from A to Z. Why is garden lighting important for an exotic garden? What type of lights is best, LED or solar? Solar lights, yes, they're cheap, they're easy to install, but they have the disadvantages. They require a transformer to convert voltage from the grid to 12 volts. Let's talk about the advantages of 12-volt lighting. They're safe, even with direct water contact. So they're ideal. For another disadvantage is that not all powerful lights are available in 12-volt versions. It is the #1 choice for exotic gardens today. Cool white light or warm white light. What looks better? What looks better in the garden? Now, the advantages. So we have high output, suitable for stronger floodlights, lighting larger garden areas with 500 square meters and more. Remember this, every plant is a star, okay? Every plant is a star. Give it its own stage. What light intensity is suitable? Kelvins and lumens. Is drainage needed under lights installed in the ground?